Why do you seek the living among the dead? He is not here, but is Rizal. Remember what he said to you while he was in Galilee. The Son of Man will be handed over to sinful men, be crucified, and on the third day rise again.